to this video. This is Arvind Mota here. So I'm going to walk you through a few of the trades which I took today, and I'll explain to you what logic I applied for these trades, and we'll also see how much profit I was able to book. Okay, so I traded in four stocks today, ICICIBank and a few other stocks. So we'll start off with ICICI. I'll explain to you what trade I took. So ICICI was opening up, it was very volatile when the market is open today, and around 535 to 540 range it was opening up, right? And it was showing bullish because we had this huge volume trade today at market open because of the quarterly results which were positive, and we were expecting a bullish trend in ICICIBank. And you can see I took a call option at 9:38 in the morning, 5:35 strike price, and after I buy, it was like a little bit bullish. You can see here it's actually moving quite fast. From 5:38 it touched 5:45, almost 5:45, and I exit the trade somewhere around 10:21. So you can see 10:21, it is somewhere here, and at 10:30 starts to fall again, right? So it has touched the maximum point and starts to reverse. It's a good time to sell, and I exit my position, and difference is not much. You can see 12 to 13, but I was able to buy good quantity, and that was a good profitable trade for me. And after that, you can see the stock price starts to fall. So it's very important to get the timing right. You have to enter and exit at the right time. Don't hold the trade, and don't look for huge profits, especially when the market is very volatile. You have to be very careful, right? And today, in fact, most of the stocks were opening up in negative mode. Nifty itself had a small gap down opening, but still we need to be very picky in the stocks, choose the right stocks, and also time your trades properly. Then you can also get very good returns. Okay, so next trade I'll explain to you. I think this is Dr. Reddy. This was doing very well today. We look at this chart. Okay, so this, you can see this big rally. We started at I think 11:45. Okay, 3057, it goes up all the way to 3200. So huge jump here, again because of the quarterly results, the huge volume of trading here, right? So let's see what time I buy it, at around 12:36. In fact, little delayed entry if you ask me. I should have bought a little bit earlier, but I buy somewhere here around 12:35, right? So I buy it here, and somewhere here again, and I'm holding it up till it goes up to this point where it starts to move sideways, right? So I exit the trade at 1:26, around 1:30. You can see at 1:30 it starts to move sideways, so it's a good time to sell. Even if I was holding on to it, I might have probably booked a little more profit. It's fine. This is the rally that I was looking for, and I was able to book profit, right? Again, all the buying is exhausted. You can see the RSI is moving a little bit flat, and MACD lines are going towards divergence because some kind of selling started here. Okay, so it's a good entry and exit for me. And you can look at Star. Star was an amazing trade today. It was giving very good like bullish trend. You can see here it opened up at 417, 418 range, and it goes all the way up to 456. Amazing rally it gave, and again because of the quarterly results, and overall pharmaceutical stocks were doing well today. Okay, so I take a trade on this around 251. Again, a little bit delayed entry. I should have entered earlier, but it's still fine because you can see still going on up to almost up to market close. It was going bullish trend. So it doesn't really matter where you enter. You can definitely get good returns. So I entered at 447, and I exited at 450. Not very high difference, but still I'm happy with this returns. You see the last 15 minutes it was kind of a selling mode. You can see here, and there was a reversal from 457. It came back to 450 levels, right? So again the timing was quite decent, not great I would say. And one more trade I took was SBI. SBI was totally bullish, like most of the banking stocks, especially PSU sector was totally bearish today. You can see it actually had a gap down opening in short time frame, and it was moving sideways. Not much was happening, but around 12:30 to 1 p.m. the slide started. Even Bank Nifty was totally bearish after 12:30, right? So you can see the huge fall from 321 almost. It came down to 316, right? 4 to 5 rupees drop in like few hours. It was a good good opportunity to take a put option. So I take a put option, strike price of 315. I always go for in the money options or on the borderline at the money. So you can see here I entered somewhere. I think it was almost close to market hours close. 3 o'clock I enter, and again it's not the best time. I should have entered earlier again, but what happens here is after I enter, there's some kind of buying happening in the market. So again, it's not the ideal time, but it's still not bad, as it was not reversing, like not huge quantity here, but it's kind of moving sideways, and I kind of break even here. Not much profit. I'm still holding some quantity for tomorrow, and probably it goes bearish further, and I will be able to make more profits on this. Okay, so you can see here as I'm holding some quantity here, I've already placed an AMO. I always recommend this. I personally avoid carrying forward the positions. Even if I do, I keep an AMO. I know exactly where I have to exit the trade. Could be profit or loss. I'll have to take that, right? So we'll look at the positions tab. We'll see what kind of returns I was able to book. So it gave me around 13,200 returns. The big chunk was from ICICIBank, and these two were cash market trades. I mean, the equity segment, and not so great. But I didn't really take very high quantity, or I didn't really wait for a long time. So this gave me decent returns. SBIBank, I'm still holding it and taking my put option. Let's see if it's going down tomorrow. Okay, so this is the logic behind the trades, and I really hope this was helpful for you. And like I always mention, please get the timing right and pick the right stocks. If you like to learn more, please check the links below the description tab. I've given some links to my webinars and also my coaching programs. In case if you want to reach out to me directly, I've also given my email address. Please write to me and I'll be able to help you out. Great, thanks for watching. Take care, happy trading, and goodbye.